they have a Batik store here actually. Very interesting. Let's go and take a look. One brand of Batik, hand tailored design. Oh yes, these are for sale. Okay, so I had an Americano here. There's a what, strawberry latte, is it?
Yeah. Strawberry latte.
So this is a tomato soup with the what is this?
Grilled cheese.
Oh, grilled
Sandwich,
cheese.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Looks good. So let's hear from Sam.
But the videos you do, like you usually post it on what, YouTube? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Sam, how is it?
Oh, it's good. It's like quite thick, but I don't think it's creamy. I think it's a lot of tomato. Like.
Oh, okay. Glad you like it. I'm having egg on toast. This looks good, and I like it's not too creamy. It's really nice. Just nice, actually. Okay, this is one of their signature they suggested, and I can see why.
Okay, so one taro cake and one Madeleine, that will be 24.20.
20?
24.20.
Okay, sure. So I've ordered I'm having here this one and Madeleine.
Yeah, taro cake and Madeleine.
Okay. This is the famous lemon Madeleine I've been reading about. It's hard. I don't know what is it actually. Okay, so it looks like a puff, but I don't think it's a cream puff. Let me try later. And this is their specialty here. I thought it was cheesecake, but actually taro cake is a specialty. Look at how the cake is done. Beautiful. Oh wow! Even motivation message. Doing fine. Thank you. Look at the colors. Yo, this is how it looks like, the lemon Madeleine inside. Looks like a lemon cake though. Let me give it a try. Okay, it's not too sweet, but you can get the taste of lemon. Lemon sourish. The balance between the sweet and sour, perfect. Okay, I'm going to finish it. Very nice. Okay, this is good. You can really taste the taro taste.